How to make your public account private on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and further tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, in the Settings and Activity page, tap on the Account Privacy option you see there, and further go ahead and toggle on the Private Account toggle button, and with this, your account will be in private mode. When your account is in private, only the followers you approve will be able to see what you share. So, this is how you can make your public account private on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.